Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthiki. We have seen tuple data type in detail. Now we will see uses of tuple in Python. First use is multiple assignment. Tuples are often used for multiple assignment, allowing you to assign multiple variables in a single line. We have seen concept of tuple packing. So this is the same concept. What we have done, we have packed this 3 and 4 in this point variable. So this is one tuple, and next what we are doing here, we are unpacking this. So we have done here packing, and here unpack we are doing, right? Means you what you have done, multiple values you have assigned here, and you are extracting those values here using unpacking concept. Next is returning multiple values from functions. Functions can return multiple values. So when function is returning multiple values, then internally Python is using tuple concept. For example, I want to return these two values 3 and 4 from this function. So what Python is doing, it is packing these two values in one tuple and returning those values. So internally Python is using tuple concept for returning multiple values from function. Next is whenever you need immutable data collection, at that time you have to use tuples. Use tuples when you want to ensure that the data remains unchanged throughout its lifetime. This is particularly useful in scenarios where you want to create constant data collections. For example, you have some phone numbers and you don't want to change those phone numbers throughout life of that program, then you can store those phone numbers in one tuple. So in this way you can use these tuples for immutable data collections. So whatever we have seen, returning multiple values from functions, that we will see practically. So tuple packing and unpacking already we have seen. So that concept I'm not going to repeat here again. So we will just see how to return multiple values from function and how Python is internally using tuple to return multiple values. For example, here I am defining function def get coordinates and this function is returning two values. For example, return 3 and 4, right? And what I'm doing here, so here we need to call this function get coordinates. I am calling, and whatever this function is returning, I am saving in one variable, that is t. And first we will check what it returns. Print t. First we will check data type of the t. Data type, we have only one variable t. And if I run this, so I got here tuple, means whatever this function is returning 3 and 4, so these are written as a tuple. We got here data type as tuple. Data type of t is tuple, right? So now if I print this tuple on the console, I should take here first t. And if I run this, so we got here t 3 4. So this is one tuple. You can use here unpacking concept also. So I will take here t1 and t2. So what we are doing, so whatever these values are returning from this function, two values it is returning, so that's why I have taken here two variables. And now we will print this t1 and t2 on the console. Print t1, print t2, and if I run this, so now it is 3 and 4. Means what we have done here, whatever this values we got these values in one tuple, and we have done unpacking here in two variables, right? So in this way we can use here tuple packing and unpacking concept also. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.